Hey, Maddie. Yeah, my black lab, Maddie's just seeing what's up. Alright. Whoa. Alright, so good evening, guys. You guys been enjoying your snow day? Okay, got a puppy loving all over me. Okay. Whoa, Maddie, stop. Alright, I love you. Love you, Maddie, but kind of trying to do something here. Whoa, Maddie, stop it, Matt. Alright. Whoa, Maddie, don't block the shot. Maddie, good girl. Maddie, stop. Got puppy loving all over me. Hey, Maddie. How are you? Alright. Alright. It's a little fun with my dog. Good evening, guys. Hope you guys been enjoying your snow days so far, and you're listening to those temperatures right now. It's 23 degrees right now, in Midlothian. So I know that will continue to drop throughout the night. And by the way, tonight though, we could be dealing with temperatures in the low teens and upper single digits. So it's going to be really bitterly cold tomorrow morning. So anything that has melted tonight will refreeze overnight, so black ice will definitely be an issue, especially on those roadways where there's still snow covered, especially here, and especially here around the North Chesterfield. So, whoa, hey Maddie, just checking what's up. Watch my report. Okay, okay. Let's take a look at some of the snowfall totals from yesterday. This is in comparison to my snowfall forecast map that I showed you guys before the storm started yesterday afternoon, and you can see generally 3 to 4, maybe a couple of 5-inch amounts across the metro area. Out towards the west end, we had out towards the west end we had 3 inches over towards Short Pump and 4 inches over towards Glen Allen. Around 3.5 generally across North Chesterfield. 3 with some 3 inches around Midlothian. 3 inches in Powhatan, and then as we head down towards this is 3.6 by the way, right there, 3.6. And as you head down towards southern Chesterfield, down towards Chester and the Tri-Cities, Colonial Heights, Chester, yeah, we saw 5 inches of snow down there. So. Really impressive totals for them. 5 inches out towards Mechanicsville. This is 3.2, by the way. This little blob is just trying to squeeze that in there. 3.2 inches over by the airport. The airport officially measured 3.1, but their report out there measured around 3.2. So, maybe I should have gone with 3.1, but would have saved me some space. But anyway, this was a 3 to 6 and 1 to 3 area. So, I think that was pretty much spot on. Generally 3 to 6 inch amounts across the metro area, which I was not too surprised by that. And then as we head down towards South Hill, though, 2.5 inches. Victoria, 2 inches. Victoria, which is down here, 2 inches. Farmville, 2 inches in the 1 to 3 inch range. Victoria, 2 inches in 1 to 3 inch range. 1.5 down in South Boston. 1.5 in Danville. Now further west, this is really interesting. It went a bit further north than we expected. So this dusting, big bust, big time bust down here. And generally Blacksburg, Roanoke, we had 3-inch amounts generally, and out towards Stanton area we saw around 1 inch, and 2.5 down Stewart's Draft. 1.5 north of Charlottesville. I think Charlottesville picked up a little under 1 inch. 3 inches up in Madison County. Generally dusting along in the Northern Valley, right around here. Around generally half an inch to an inch totals in the D.C. metro. In north central Virginia, Fredericksburg around 3.5 as well. 2 inches in Stafford. And down to southeast of here, South Hill, we had 2.5. Southern Virginia around Bracy, we had 1.5 inches. So that was a little bit of a fall because there was actually a dry slot that set up right along here, which is why we saw some low snowfall totals in this area. 2.8 inches, 3.5, 3.5 in West Point, 2.8 in Prince George. So there was actually a dry slot that set up over there, so that really hampered totals there. But elsewhere, generally, the 5 to 8 verified. 5 inches in New Kent, 6 inches in Charles City, 5 inches down in Surrey County, and over towards Reedville, we had 6.8 inches, 5 inches down in Emporia, so, not too bad. And so not too bad. I think it was a little bit high on my totals down here, but 4.5 by the way in Williamsburg. And down towards southeast Virginia, this is where the jackpot of the snow totals fell. 9 inches in Norfolk, 10 inches down in Chesapeake, 9 inches in Virginia Beach. But generally, most of the reports, other reports I saw, this some of the reports I gathered from the National Weather Service, my page, and elsewhere, and other local news sources. Generally 9 to 10 inch amounts. 8 inches in Hampton, 9 in Newport News, 10 inches in Suffolk, 10 in Chesapeake, 9 in Virginia Beach, 9 inches in Norfolk. 7.2 around Windsor, I think, yeah, White County, White, that's how you pronounce it. 8 inches near Smithfield, 5.6 in Franklin, so 7 inches near Sandbridge, section of Virginia Beach, south of the main commercial stuff, and 7 inches on the eastern shore in Accomack County. So generally, I think my map did pretty well, verified pretty well. Of course, out in the western parts of the state, that was a major flaw, So basically, why did those areas right over here, why did we see all this snow down here? Why did we see snow? I mean, all the forecasts were pointing towards the dusting, or less. So why did we see this much snow?